They needed food, so they made their way to the surface where the hunt would begin. This beetle is the perfect meal, and they must work as a team. They are rushing to get it back to the nest, and with good reason. The sky was beginning to darken, and the temperature had dropped. I was about to simulate a sandstorm. The storm had coated the tank in a thin red sand, but in the ravine, it uncovered something remarkable. Dormant fish eggs. All they needed was a little water. By day 45, the beetles were still overpopulated. I needed to introduce a new predator.